How to fix Counter-Strike 2 high ping issues on PC. Now, if you are having constant issues with your ping on this specific Counter-Strike game, you can go ahead and make a few changes in order to fix this. First things first, we have to check if our internet provider has a problem. You want to navigate through a speed test website, and from here you can just go ahead and make sure that your internet is up to speed. Now, as you can go ahead and see, I'm testing my internet speed right here, and I can go ahead and see my download speed, upload speed, the ping or MS for my specific internet provider, and more. Now, if you are having some issues with your internet right here, you can just go ahead and restart your device, or you can go ahead and disconnect some of the device that is connected with this specific internet right here. Right after that, let's now go ahead and open up our Steam, and once inside, you want to make sure that there are no games downloading on your Steam client right here. If there is, you can just go ahead and pause them by clicking on the pause button. Right after that, you want to go ahead and look for your Counter-Strike game right here. Now let's go ahead and say that this specific game is the Counter-Strike. You want to go ahead and right click on this game right here. Click on properties, and once inside, you want to click on installed files. From here, you want to click on verify integrity of game files. From there, it will then go ahead and update the Counter-Strike to the latest version, fixing minor bugs and glitches along the way. And for the last solution, you can just go ahead and type network status on your Windows logo right here. And once inside, you want to click on change adapter options. From here, you can then go ahead and right click on your specific Ethernet cable. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on disable, and right after disabling, you want to click on enable once more. And so that should help you fix the problem. Now, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.